my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's me, BOSSBABE CAFE. We're back again for another tutorial. This is a tempo up problem, which is tips. The usage of this template is too much. It is recommended to choose another template or try again later. So this is very easy problem. If you want to know how to solve this problem, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn notification for more amazing tutorial video like this. So let's begin. Okay, here we go. Open your tempo app, then click, of course, the pop dance. It's very viral today. Then unlock for free, click that also. Agree and continue, click that also. Then retry. Agree and continue, click that also. Then we are going to choose a new photos, which is very clear. You're so beautiful there, you're so handsome. Pick that picture. Wait for a moment. Loading, it takes time. It depends upon your internet connection. So yes, as you can see, the usage of this template is too much, so it is recommended to choose another template or try again later. So what we are going to do, we will leave that screen. So just hang the screen, yeah. Then click the tempo, but you need to long press the tempo app logo. So click the app info. As you can see, click the app info. Then you have internal storage. So you need to click the internal storage, and you can see the clear data. Clear it. Click that clear data. Also the clear cache. Click that also. So clear data, guys. You need to read first before you said okay. Okay, be sure. Okay, so you need to click that okay. Then go back to your application after you click the clear data. Then click the tempo app again. Then check the box. Terms of service. Agree and continue. Click that, and X, then continue. Click the pop dance, and then unlock for free, recommended to use one picture only. Click that also, and then allow. Tempo requires storage permission to use for all features. Yes, allow it, guys, and then click agree and continue. And then click retry. Agree and continue. Then start uploading pictures. Be sure that you have your beautiful picture. Yes, so wait for a moment to extract or to export the video. Yes. So be sure you need to read all the word there, and also instruction rather, and don't forget to double check. Okay, so very good, rate us. Now later just close it, X only. And then we have also a lot of social media icons, guys. You can share it. So yeah, enjoy sharing, and you have your new video pop dance. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification for more video updates to BOSSBABE CAFE. And until our next video, my loves, bye bye, world peace.